In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $727 per day using Digistore 24 niche hack. This is Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners. Now we're going to do this in 3 easy steps and you'll be able to follow them, because without a niche, you have nothing. This is very important because a lot of people asked for it. So I'm going to go ahead and spill the beans. I'm going to show you some hacks that you never thought of. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button, because I'm going to be making more videos about hacks, tips, and tricks. And believe me, you don't want to miss them. Let's make some money. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginner tutorial, top niche. I say Digistore 24, but in reality, you can make money affiliate marketing with any network. The first thing is how to find money making Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners niche with one click. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with one click. This is a hack. This is not something that you go and do research and things like that. Number 2, how to make affiliate marketing Digistore 24 by using professionals to market your Digistore 24 products. And number 3, what free app to use to find the best Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners niche. Okay, now Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginner tutorial top niche. Now we're gonna talk about the first thing, which is so important, which is what free app to use to find the best Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners niche. I just want to make sure you understand exactly what are we going to be doing. As you know by now, it is a hack. So what I like you to do is to go down in the description area and see there is a link that says top affiliate niche. Click on it and go ahead and pause this video. After you do that, because I want to make sure that we are following step by step, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and then you can do the same thing on your behalf. So, and then in case you want to pause this video, my video, go ahead and pause it. Do not close it, just pause it and then go back and follow through. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to give you a second to do it. So let's go ahead and just go down to the description area and look for top affiliate niche link. Click on it and let's go. All right, now I hope you already got in. Now, as you know by now, it's Udemy, but it doesn't matter if it's Udemy or not Udemy. The idea is what? Is to find exactly what is selling, what is the top niche, and who can help you with that to make money as fast as possible. So here's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna find the best niche. Number 2 is how to find money making Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners niche with one click. Now you are right here. Click on find sellers. Just click on find sellers. Don't do anything here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click on right here where it says keyword. You click on it. Here's the hack. We've been doing this for a very long time, so we know exactly that these are really good. There's a lot of people that go spend a lot of time and money and effort and take classes for the best niches and so forth. Well, you don't have to do that. It's just one click. You'll find out exactly what is the best thing for you. What I'm talking about, the best niche for you, because if you don't have a niche, it's going to be very difficult for you to make money. Of course, the number 1 is weight loss, and then make money online and so forth. I'm not saying for you to go ahead and just pick the best one. No, what I'm saying is that you like, that you have some experience with, the one that you can go for. Now, in addition to that, I do have some already made sub niches based on this, and if you want it, make sure to go ahead and just put in the comment that you want the sub niches blueprint, and I know exactly what you're talking about, and I'll give it to you. It's a free download, and you can go ahead and just look at it. We use all of them in that list, in that blueprint, and you can do this same thing as well. And we've been doing this for a long time. It's been very, very profitable. And here's what it is. Most popular searches. More people are going after, as far as niches, is weight loss. After that, make money online, health and ClickBank and so forth. And you can probably relate to that already. This is exactly what you need to do. Now, weight loss might not be your niche. That's fine. Maybe something else in here is your niche, but these are the most sought for. What I mean by that is that if there is a niche for Digistore 24, it's going to be right here. This is not only for Digistore 24 because this platform is used for a lot of other things besides that. So I just want to make sure you understand that as well. These are the most money making niches and people are going for them. So here's what are we gonna do? Okay, right now we covered number 2 of how to find money making Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners niche with one click. Now all you gotta do is just click on the keyword and you'll see all the top niches that you can actually market for. These are really good niches. Now let's go ahead and just go to number 3, how to make money affiliate marketing Digistore 24 by using professionals to market your Digistore for you. Now we're gonna go back here. Of course, in case you don't know where you at, just click on keyword right here and then you're gonna see the top niches up here. Now let's say that your niche is weight loss. So all you have to do, you can also get the people who are really specialized in giving you leads for weight loss, not fitness, weight loss in specific, because weight loss is a sub niche of health. Click on weight loss and what's going to happen is going to show you the people that are specialized in weight loss. Okay, we clicked on the health. For example, we clicked on weight loss, not health. But what we did is we found out who is specialized in giving you really quality leads. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just a synopsis of what you should really look for. Now, I just want to go very quickly. Now, in case you want the in-depth, and I really recommend that you do look into the in-depth video that I have made, because it's going to save you a lot of time and effort and money, marketing your affiliate product, whether Digistore or any other network. Make sure, and I'm talking about Digistore 24 or any other network like ClickBank and so forth, Pinterest, whatever you want. Now, the first thing here is how much this person right here charges per lead. 78 cents. Right here, it's telling you exactly how many of the people made sales from the first time, which is 27%. And looks like he's new. He's got only 15 thumbs up. But in case you don't want to spend 78 cents, what are you going to do? Well, you need to watch my other video because I go in depth of what you need to look for to get a better price and exactly what is it that you need to market your affiliate product, whether Digistore 24 or any other platform. Okay, just another one here. Right here, there is a thumbs up, 379. That means they like what that person provided for them, and 4 did not. Okay, just want to give you a heads up here. This is not the whole thing. This is not exactly what you need to be looking for. I go in depth on the other one, but I'm just going to give you a synopsis right here. In other words, a really quick thing, because a lot of people don't know what these numbers mean. Now, when you click on this, I'm not going to do that. But if you click on that, you're gonna be faced with a lot of numbers and more things that you need to know about, and that's why you need to watch the other video. All you have to do is request it in the description area, ask for the in-depth lead generation video, and I'll be more than happy to send it to you so you'll be able to master it. And when you do, then you can leave everybody else in the dust, because this is the best way of promoting any affiliate marketing and making money with affiliate marketing with either Digistore 24 or some other platform. It really doesn't matter. But you need to know exactly how to do it so you can get laser targeted leads for your affiliate marketing products. If you want to make money affiliate marketing very quickly, make sure to click up here because this is exactly what you need to get started the right way. If you want to start your career with Digistore 24 affiliate marketing with a free funnel and a free product, make sure to click up here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.